Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is another embellishment video. First of all, I just want to say massive thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. Honestly guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much for your love and support. Really appreciate it. A couple of weeks ago I have posted a video with some embellishment paper clips, and that video just literally exploded. So I've got over 1,000 views, and oh wow, the support from you guys, thank you. A few of you have asked if I could make some more different styles beaded Christmas paper clips. Now as you know, I didn't really have, this is literally my beads collection, which is stuff that's been gifted to me from companies to make videos part of the design package. So I didn't have many. So what I did, I went to Amazon, and of course, as you do, and I've got a few bits I want to show you. So I wanted to use my bubblegum beads. As I said on that video I showed you, it reminds me of like bubble gums that we used to have when we were little. So I went to an Amazon, and I've got a few bits. I have bought some of these Christmas tree beads. Where is the really pretty. So that's the Christmas tree. Then I got a little star, and then I've got fairies, little fairies there. In fact, you can't even see it, and I'm not very organized because I should have got one of everything out before I start recording. So that's the little fairy, really pretty. It's got lovely wings. And what else I've got? All the presents. Got the presents there, really pretty, all silver because I want everything to be silver. And then I've got these I'm sure it's called safety pins, whatever you call them. Very colorful, all different metallic finish, matte finish, shiny finish, all different colors. Really pleased. And then of course I saw them and I have to buy them. Jingle bells, really colorful jingles. I love them. I'm literally obsessed with those, all different colors. And then I've typed colorful, I wanted something really big. I've got I typed big colorful paper clips, and this what just came out. They're absolutely huge. Now they were only really nicely packed like this in colors, so they're all like rainbow color, but because I had to get one of these and one of these, I have to create this little mess, but I don't mind it. So just to show you, where is my ruler? There it is. So that is top to there, it's literally about 3.5, bit more than 3.5 inch. Huge. And I'll show you what I made. Zoom in, you can probably see better. So that's the green one. So of course I put the green and white bubblegum, the tree and the star. And then this is the beads I made. I have few left, the paper beads. I've done a videos of these, and I will put the link here in the corner. Then I put the jingle, the star, and the safety pin with a little teeny little gem. Now before I move into another color, this is literally the maximum. I don't know why it shakes, the light shakes. So that's the green one. This is the purple one. So again, I played with some beads I had, the star, the tree, the jingle, the little bell, and then I made these little beads and the purple safety pin. So I'm sure it's called safety pin, but you know what I mean. Really, really pretty. I really like it. Pink. So we got bit of pink, deep actually pink, with white, some red little stones that had a really nice metallic pink bell, the tree, the safety pin with a little glass gem. What do you guys think? And of course, a jingle. Ta-da. Next up is the yellow one, yellow and orange, with a little fairy, some green, yellowish little beads, of course the yellow bell, the yellow safety pin, and I think it works. They're really nice work. I think the color combination works really well together. Then I thought, think about the box a bit and then create more like a colourful one using the black paper clip, and then this really nice, because it's very long. I just didn't realize how long this bead is going to be. So let me just move that rather than trying to lift it so you guys can see it. So that's the black paper clip. I know it's not for everybody. I know most of you might not like this, but it just, you know, to do something a bit different. This is all of them together. I think they're really pretty. I'm obsessed with this. The problem is when you start, it's really hard to stop because they're so addictive. And because I've got so many colors now, I mean, still can do some blues, some white, this really nice teal, orange. Oh, that's the only reddish, purplish. But I'm definitely going to make some more because they're really nice craft fair ideas. And also you can little gift on the, like an envelope or on a journal. So you can do so many things with those. Right, guys, that is it for today. Hopefully you found this video really entertaining. And if you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will tell YouTube that you like my content. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.